This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Destination 44 condo is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, refrigerator, TV, microwave, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer RV features bunk beds, front bath, loft, mid-bath, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Destination 44 condo is 13,219 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Destination 44 condo. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.